Hello everybody! Today we're going to be making sweet potato soup with both yams and sweet potato. So to start off, we're going to just chop up 2 cloves of garlic, and then we're going to end up throwing those in a pan, but for now just chop those up. Also chop up an onion. And what I really like about this soup is that it is so nice for the winter weather because it's a soup and it's warm and it's great. And now that everyone's getting sick, this is a great healthy recipe that you can give out to prevent it. I wonder what sweet potatoes contain, but I'm sure it's good things. And yeah, you're just gonna chop up your sweet potato and then some normal potato. Some more garlic. And a red onion. And this is going to contribute to the color. So that's why we're chopping up both regular onion and also red onion. Just for aesthetics, honestly no need if you can go out and get it, but if you can, even better. And then this is also for color, purple potatoes. These are really interesting. I honestly think they taste better for some reason. Once again, maybe placebo effect when it comes to just the coloring, but I think they're really good. So give it a shot. And then once you chop all of those up, you're also going to chop up a sweet potato. So beforehand, we had chopped up the yams. So in total, we have yams, sweet potato, potato, purple potato, red onion, and garlic. So there we go, all good. And then go ahead and throw that into your pot alongside with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you're just gonna go ahead and put in your garlic, cook it. And then put your onion in, cook it. And then put your yams and potatoes in, cook it. Yeah, what's really nice about this is it's very self-explanatory, it's very simple, so do not stress if you mess a step around here or there, because in the end it's all going to become mushy anyways, so don't stress out about that. But make sure to add boiling hot water at this step. And then you're going to add some spices, just some salt, some vegetable broth powder seasoning. Let us know if you guys, actually no, don't let us know. If you guys want to watch a video on how to make it, check the video in the upper right hand corner. We know what's going into it and it's healthier, and especially if we want the soup to be healthy, right, we might as well know what the spices are as well, in addition to the vegetables. And then you're going to want to take your visvist, as my mom likes to call it, or just your food processor, handheld food processor, and mix that all up. And then in a separate pot, add your garlic, cook it, onion, cook it. And as you can see here, this is going to be the exact same steps. Potato and sweet potato, cook it. And this is going to be the exact same steps as the previous soup. The only difference is we're going to have a completely different color, and so when we layer it in the bowl, it'll look really cool. And very on theme for Halloween, actually. So this is a very nice Halloween treat as well, because it's like, whatever, we can count the purple as black, and then we have black and orange, very nice. Same seasonings going into here as well, same thing with the vegetable broth powder, salt, pepper, all good. And then once again, take your food processor visvist after it becomes a little bit soft, and do the same thing. Remember, we're not trying to make mashed potatoes, so don't stress about the consistency. Just get them mushy enough so where you can food process it, and then just blend it until completely combined. And so after that, you're going to want to put in your first base, which is the orange, and then pour in the second base, which is the purple soup. And then just go ahead and alternate that, like add your desired amount and then alternate back to the orange, and then you get some pretty cool soup. Very Halloweeny. Also looks like a bullseye, you know? Also, I don't know what else it could be. What else could it be? Let us know in the comments down below. And that's about it. We hope you guys enjoy making this sweet potato soup and that it's very on theme for your Halloween time. All right. Happy sweet potatoing. Bye.